Hello guys, and today I'm gonna show you how to disassemble your Wooting UwU. You're gonna need your Wooting, obviously, and preferably a screwdriver set, because you're probably gonna need the X screwdriver and a flat one. Right now, grab the X screwdriver and you're gonna unscrew two screws at the bottom of the Wooting UwU and just place them somewhere safe so you don't lose them. Right now everything just comes off, you just have to kinda pry it open. Inside you have the plastic bottom case and some foam for sound dampening. Next you're gonna see the PCB and there are 4 screws there. You're gonna unscrew them all and put them somewhere safe with the other screws. They are actually the same that hold the case together, so you're not gonna have to worry about mixing them up. Here they are. Now you're just gonna take the PCB off and place it with other parts. There's the rubber, that's also for sound dampening. And right now you can take off the plastic that's in the RGB version. And right now I'm trying to pry it open, but it doesn't work because I have to take the keycaps off. And I'm gonna use a flat screwdriver. If you have a keycap puller, you can use it. It's gonna be actually better because you're not gonna have to worry about damaging your switches. And right now you just have to pry open the black part. You can actually push the two things at the bottom and it's just gonna go apart. I'm just gonna help myself with a flat screwdriver. You can see it, but I'm using it to just pry it open. You just have to use a little bit of force because there are clips. Just be careful to not to break anything. You can use the screwdriver to pry it open also. And just like that, you have the whole Wooting disassembled. Here you have the rubber buttons. And that's the whole thing. You can also buy those two metal plates, little metal plates on the sides of the switches. You can actually take off the switches too. So right now you're just gonna do everything back in the reversed order, and just like that you're gonna have your Wooting assembled again. Just be careful with those rubber buttons because one side is higher than another and the higher side should be facing the keycaps. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed it up because you've already saw it, but that's it. That's how easy it is, and goodbye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.